Hello guys, welcome to Max Math Games, School of Olympiad. In this series, we discuss different questions asked in different mathematical Olympiad tournaments from all over the world, and this one is from Harvard MIT Math Tournament. So the question of the day is, let Px be a monic polynomial with rational coefficients of minimal degree such that roots of Px are 1 divided by under root of 2, 1 divided by under root of 3, 1 divided by under root of 4, and so onwards up to 1 divided by under root of 1000. Find the sum of coefficients of Px. Pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Alright, so now let us get started with the solution. So instead of starting with this question, let us now frame a new question. And the question is, let Px be a monic polynomial with rational coefficients of minimal degree such that the roots of Px are 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 4 and 1 by under root of 5. That's it. Alright. So what we have done is, we have reduced the number of roots. Now, because Px is a monic polynomial, so monic polynomial means that the leading coefficient of Px should be equals to 1. Also, all the coefficients of Px are rational, so that simply implies that if 1 by root 2 is a root, then minus 1 by under root of 2 should also be a root of this expression, that is Px. If 1 by under root 3 is a root, then minus 1 by under root of 3 should also be a root of this expression. But this quantity, that is 1 divided by under root of 4, has no such obligation because this is nothing but 1 by 2, which is a rational quantity. Alright, and similarly again, because 1 by under root 5 is a root, then minus 1 by under root of 5 should also be a root of this expression, that is Px expression, and hence we can say that 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2, since both will be the roots of this expression, so this will be a factor. Similarly, this will be a factor, and it would imply that x square minus 1 by 2 will be a factor of Px. And on similar basis, we can say that x square minus 1 by 3, x minus half, and x square minus 1 by 5 will all be factors of Px, and hence this will actually be equals to the value of Px. Okay, but it is very difficult to calculate the sum of the coefficients of Px even when we have reduced the number of roots from 999 to only 4. And the trick that we are going to apply in this part is that we will multiply it by x plus half as well, and we will divide it by x plus half. So what that will do is, these two terms will merge with each other and we will get a kind of a symmetric expression in the numerator. So this is x square minus 1 by 4 into x square minus 1 by 5 divided by x plus half. Now why is this half coming? Because there is one such rational number among the roots of the newly framed question. Okay. And moving on similar basis, the answer to our original question would be that Px is equals to x square minus half into x square minus 1 by 3 into x square minus 1 by 4 into so onwards up to x square minus 1 divided by 1000 divided by x plus half, because x plus half was multiplied by x minus half to make it x square minus 1 by 4. Similarly, x plus 1 by 3, because this quantity was multiplied in the numerator to make it x square minus 1 by 9 in the numerator. Similarly, last quantity, that will be x plus 1 by 31, because x square minus 1 divided by 961 was made in the numerator, and we have stopped at 1 divided by 31 because that is the largest square that is already available among these roots given. So when we have to find the sum of coefficient of any expression, Then what we do is we simply put x equals to 1 in the given expression. So putting x equals to 1 in px, we get 1 minus half into 1 minus 1 by 3 into so onwards, 1 minus 1 divided by 1000 divided by 1 plus half into 1 plus 1 by 3 into so onwards up to 1 plus 1 by 31. So when simplified, the numerator will now reduce to half into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into so onwards up to 999 divided by 1000, and the denominator will now become 3 divided by 2 into 4 divided by 3 into so onwards up to 32 divided by 31. So now what will happen is these 2's will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled, and this will be a telescopic product, and we are left with only 1 divided by 1000 in the numerator, and as far as the denominator is concerned, these 3's will get cancelled and so onwards, and this 31 will get cancelled, and we are left with 32 divided by 2 in the denominator. And now to simply write down the answer, in the numerator we have 1 divided by 1000, in the denominator we have 32 divided by 2, and hence we get our answer to be equals to 1 divided by 16,000, and that is the answer to our original question. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.